Welcome to Blixo Tutorials. Whether you're new to Blixo or just need a refresher, this tutorial will show you how to add your first customer on Blixo in a few easy steps. Let's get started. Creating a customer on Blixo? Looking to add a new customer on Blixo? Start by selecting the Customers section on the left navigation menu. Next, click on Add Customer. Fill in the required name field. It's marked with a red asterisk, and any additional details. Once completed, hit the Submit button. Congratulations! Your new customer is now in Blixo. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Want to take your business to the next level? Blixo can help. With our platform, you can grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting. Sign up for Blixo today by visiting blixo.com.